All right, guys, the watch list for September 28th, which will be Wednesday, showing you the SPY here, kind of just right back up near the middle of this recent range. And I'm going to rip through the watch list for tomorrow. GBSN, I know this is weird looking until you zoom in, but GBSN, a lot of reverse splits. It's a goofy stock, but nice volume today relative to the last week or so. And if you switch to 15-minute candles, let me pan out a little bit here. You did have a nice middle of the day pop, and it held up well. So over 290, this one might get going. Let's keep our eyes on that one. ENDP. Let's go back to the daily chart. You had a pop. Sellers came in, and then you've got a more narrow range. It's just coiling, but a green day today. I want to watch that for potential long. Lumber Liquidators LL. After breaking this trend line, you kind of did a retest of it on this pullback, closing at its highs. It certainly looks interesting over this, I don't know, 1810 area. Let's keep our eyes on that. Still feels a little extended, but it's got a lot of shorts in it, so it might get going. LPCN gapped up, closed red, then today closed above yesterday's close. So this one might just get going. I want to keep that one on my radar. ZAIS, some low floaters were running today. And this one got a pop. Didn't take much volume to move it, but you can see back here it's had some big pops and starting to get active again. So maybe a red to green in that one. EKSO, nice volume spike today. Closing pretty strong. I want to watch that for some follow through. Again, maybe a red to green. OPTT, this one isn't that pretty to me, but on an intraday basis, you can see the intense volume it got at the close. You can't really see it when you switch to the daily, but maybe a follow through day there too. You can see what this one did back here. So I always like to have that one on my radar. BLRX, just another lower high. No trades in it today, but goes back on bounce watch for tomorrow. SSYS, still below that trend line, kind of a narrow day today. Sometimes the third day it gets going again, so that one's on watch. SEED is just on watch because in after hours it's trading at 309. So I don't have a call on it. I'll just treat it as a gap play tomorrow and see if we can catch a trade. KTOV, attempted breakout, then gave back some of its gains, but nice volume and didn't give back all of its gains, so maybe a red to green there. INVT, kind of the same thing as KTOV, a nice volume spike. Gave back a lot of its gains, but sometimes the next day it can get some momentum again, so maybe a red to green there tomorrow. It's a low floater. I want to watch that one. And last, I'm going to watch YRD. Nice little breakout of about, I don't know, 3-week range on decent volume. So I want to watch for some follow through there as well. Again, maybe a red to green, something along those lines. We'll also be looking for gappers in the morning, and I'm going to leave it at that. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I will talk to you tomorrow.